Hi there, this is Evangeline. I'm from Meinong Blue in Taiwan. How are you guys? I hope you're not infected by the COVID-19. If you stay at home or are you at work, at school, just stay healthy, eat well, sleep well, drink well, and do some exercise. Most importantly, just keep your mind in positive way thinking. I hope the disease will pass over very quick. Sorry about we're not loading the latest films because we are seeking a new places because our company is changing to another location, and luckily recently we find the places and the reconstructive process is already started. So today we got time and we're going to show you how to make a beautiful pattern on a 100% silk scarf. As I show you here, you can see that it's a fine, thin, 100% silk scarf with two kinds of a metal. Uses the one is a scratch bond on the whole fabric and another layered colored on this side here to create a beautiful thin scarf like this. You can wear it like this because when the temperature is getting high, if you need a scarf, you need a very thin texture, you need to choose the 100% silk because it's so beautiful and smoothie and create a beautiful looking of your wearing. So you guys just follow me step by step and hope you enjoy this film. And you can see it's quite transparent of the 100% silk. So the metal you're using on it needs to be very soft and gentle. So before we're doing this, you have to soak in the water. Otherwise, when you create your patterns, it will just go slightly moving and may not create the way you want to do it. So have to soak it in the water. And then we hold it in half. Because when the scarf the length is so long, you cannot do it when you open it wide, so you have to fold it half to half the length of it. And then we spread it on the table. Remember the scratch band? Remember the technique we showed before? If you're not, you can see our previous film. Okay, we started from the center of the fabric. So you scratch it a bit by bit, little by little to create crease. And you can see, because it's a weight, so sometimes you stick on the table and you have to take it and move it into the center a bit by bit. And then don't do it this way, because when you squeeze it roughly, and your creases will become very huge one and may not so tender and so delicate as you wish. So you have to move it a bit by bit in different direction. So to the center, and check out that's evenly squeeze it into the center. And when doing this scratch bond technique on whole fabric, as the first step, okay, then push together. To push it as firm as you can, and later on we will have a string to tie it up. Okay, almost like a run. And take out a string, we start to bend it. Remember to tie it from the center. To tie it firmly from the center. Make a knot in case of losing, and then we start to tie it. To pull the string every time, and make sure you don't lose the creases. Just make sure almost every part of it you can tie it and pull the string. To tie it flatly, don't tie it as a ball. Remember that we need it to be tied it as a flat, like a hamburger or like something you plap it until it's coming flat. Just make sure don't tie it as a ball. By doing this way, we can make sure that your creases can tie evenly. And then we make a knot at the end. Okay, it's done. You can see it's flat and round, and the thickness is evenly. So this is a perfect scratch bond dyeing. Our previous film we demonstrate this kind of skill, but we're using a rubber band. That kind of technique is easy to process when you're at home or when you're having fun with your kids. But doing this way, we tie it with a string, it's quite professional. So if you are artist or if you are having fun with this, maybe you can try if you got time. You have a string and you have your textile and you can do this scratch bond at home. Okay, we done this part of it, and later on we'll soak this our indigo dyeing tank. We see how it's going.